If you want to lose weight, dieting is not only thing you have to maintain. You have to do some easy exercises also to burn your excess fat and keep your body in shape. I will show you 8 best exercises which you can do easily and get bestest result very fast. Number 1. Side bending. The side bend targets the external and internal obliques and strengthens the side ab wall. The exercise helps to sculpt the waist, tightens the core, lose weight, and improves your posture and stability. Additionally, side bends stretch the abdominal muscles and digestive organs, and stretching out the intercostals will open up the ribcage and lungs, which will improve your digestion power, metabolism, and breathing capacity. Stand tall with feet and legs together and reach both arms straight up overhead as you inhale. Lower your right arm down the right side of your body and exhale as you lengthen the left arm over the head, bending body gently to the right. Inhale to return arms overhead to center and exhale as you repeat on the left side. Number 2. Jump rope. Whether you're trying to lose weight for the first time or the 100th time, jumping rope is a great exercise for you. Jumping rope is a full body workout which can burn up to 318 calories in every 30 minutes. Start with feet together, hands holding ends of the jump rope, elbows in toward ribs. Swing the jump rope and step or hop both feet over. Don't jump in between, just jump with each swing of the rope. Complete the 3 rounds of 1 minute each. Number 3. Forward lunge. Lunges work the large muscle groups in your lower body, which builds lean muscle and reduces body fat. This can increase your resting metabolism, which allows you to burn more calories and trim excess weight. This resistance exercise is popular for its ability to strengthen your back, hips, and legs, while improving mobility and stability. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Engage your core. Place hands on hips or hold weights by sides to start. Take a controlled step forward with the right leg. Keeping spine tall, lower body until the front and back leg form a 90-degree angle. Repeat on the other side. Complete 3 sets of 10 per side. Number 4. Cycling. Many certified fitness trainers accepted cycling as the best exercise to shed a few pounds. Although cycling is traditionally done outdoors, many gyms and fitness centers have stationary bikes that allow you to cycle while staying indoors. According to Harvard Health, a 70 kg person burns around 260 calories per 30 minutes of cycling on a stationary bike or 298 calories per 30 minutes on a bicycle. Studies have found that people who cycle regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and death, compared with those who don't cycle regularly. You can do it as long as you want. Number 5. Plank. A plank is a simple, effective body weight exercise that requires no equipment and can be performed just about anywhere. The plank is a highly effective isometric exercise that burns approximately 2 to 5 calories per minute, based on body weight, metabolism rate, and muscle-to-fat ratio. Place forearms on the floor with elbows aligned below shoulders and arms parallel to your body at about shoulder width. If flat palms bother your wrists, clasp your hands together. Try 3 or 4 sets of plank exercises, holding for 30 seconds each to lose your weight fast. It also helps in reducing risks of back and spine. Number 6. Jogging or running. Running or jogging is one of the best workouts for weight loss, which can be done anywhere, but I suggest running on softer surfaces like grass or treadmills which have built-in cushioning. It may be easier on your joints. If you are a beginner, start a 10-minute jog. Thereafter you can increase your time as per your health condition. Number 7. Squat. According to a study on the calorie burning effects of a variety of exercises, researchers found that squats burned an average 35 calories per minute, the most of all the exercises tested. Squats trigger a metabolic and hormonal response conducive to weight loss, better body composition, and make you stronger. To do squats correctly, start with keeping weight in heels and back straight, sit hips back and bend knees to lower into a squat until thighs are parallel to the floor. Remember to keep knees in line with toes the entire time. Do complete 3 sets of 15 to 20 each. Number 8. Weight training. Many people thinks that weight training is only about muscle building. But it's not fully accurate, it has an other side also. Weight training also has other important calorie burning benefits. According to Harvard Health, it's estimated that a 155-pound, 70 kg, person burns roughly 112 calories per 30 minutes of weight training. There are reports of resting metabolism staying elevated for up to 38 hours after weight training. This means that you may keep burning calories for hours or days afterward. One 6-month study showed that simply doing 11 minutes of strength-based exercises 3 times per week resulted in a 7.4% increase in metabolic rate, on average. In this study, that increase was equivalent to burning an additional 125 calories per day. In men, weight training led to a 9% increase in resting metabolism, that means 140 calories per day. The effects in women were smaller, with an increase of almost 4%, that means 50 calories per day. There are many types of weight trainings. You have to make sure that you choose a proper weight training for you as per your health condition after consulting your fitness trainer. Tips. Tip number 1. To continue oxygenating your muscles, remember to keep breathing while holding the plank position, as well as during rest periods. Tip number 2. Because of the asymmetrical balancing nature of side bends, do not practice these poses if you are currently experiencing very low blood pressure, dizziness, headaches, or diarrhea. Tip number 3. Check the length of the jump rope by holding it in each hands and ensuring the handles line up with shoulders. Tip number 4. Do warm up by stretching slowly your body before starting any kind of exercises. Tip number 5. Just because you start exercise doesn't mean you don't need to be conscious about your diet. Here we have another video about proper diet plan. Click on the I button or given link in the description to check this out. If this video is helpful for you, do share with your friends, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Perfectly Healthy.